baby, let's go. Alright, so I got a special video for you guys today. Not really that special, but we are gonna do some pretty fun stuff. As you guys can see, we got Jake and Brittany behind me. We got the pit bikes right there. We're gonna go find some urban spots today. I've got a ramp, we're gonna go. But I did want to give Jake something before we head out, because he's been asking me when he's gonna get one of these. And
what do we got? What do we got?
It's an OG. I'll get you a new one. But dude, little MC Production Garage.
Dialed.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dude, of course. Oh yeah, for sure, dude. I know you've been wanting one forever, right? Yeah, she already got one. She already got one. But yeah.
I thought I was special.
Dude.
I had a special moment and then realized I wasn't the first one.
That's funny. So
sick,
yeah,
dude.
We're loading up now. We're gonna go. Jake has some spots. You got some spots. We're gonna go. We're gonna try to be East Coast buttery today. We're just gonna find some cool spots.
Yeah, maybe find a skate park.
Skate park. Yeah.
Maybe try and find like a big. I really want to like gap a road somewhere.
Gap a road.
Or like drop a big staircase or something. Something.
Yeah. Some
downtown though. We're gonna take it to the city lights tonight.
For sure. Oh, that's good. So we just pulled up to the first spot, and I think we're just gonna go out and explore. I'm gonna put my helmet on, unload the bikes, and see what we can get into. All right, this place looks actually pretty sick. It's right behind our buddy's track. We got the little jumper out today. Dude, let's head in here. Let's see what we got going on in here. Dude, this place is sick. Oh, this is sick. Yo. Oh my God, no way. Oh, that's not that bad. Bro, that's nuts. Nice. There's this place over here. This is such a cool little place right here. Oh, what's that? What is it? Oh, dude, you built a dope skate park back here. You want to jump off that? Yeah, guys, Busco's actually coming up. I'm kind of excited about it, so hope you guys are ready for some content. If you would, I posted 2 car vlogs here recently. If you guys want to check them out, that'd be so killer.
Give a fuck what they saying, I'm a novice. I just leave the hole in the hotel lodge. I hit it, then I go home, rock with shot. They can song about the box, got me feeling like Roddy. Later on the pop, ain't shit, don't stop. Ain't it funny I see
Second spot.
Second spot.
Let's go. This is gonna be interesting. We got some skaters out here. Dude. So what are you thinking here? What's your thoughts here? You got the van.
Man, I'm thinking maybe we could set the ramp up.
Like in downhill like transfer to downhill?
Landing.
Yeah, I'm down. Some graphic. There's actually some pretty good graffiti out here. Set up the ramp kind of like.
Ramp like right here?
Yeah, right here. Perfect.
Like right here?
You go downhill that? Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sick, I'm down.
Maybe drop the wall.
That's a big drop to concrete. Oh.
Honestly, I think it'd be pretty cool
sick.
to set up the ramp and jump into that like a double.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Oh, good stuff, man. Pretty sick little spot. Wish there was a little grass hip we could hit somewhere. Let's get the bikes out and get it ripping. This is actually a super sick spot. The clouds are really weird right now, so it's kind of hard to film. Bringing our own ramps. We'll get Homeboy to hit it too on his skateboard. What do you think, Brett? What do you think? Oh, they're getting some clips. Oh, over jumped it a little bit. All right, so we made it over to this other skate park. It's pretty sick. Oh. Oh yeah, all day. Hell yeah. That was pretty sketchy. Not too bad. What do you mean it's sketchy? He's gonna go right out there. Straight to frame. Straight to the rim. What a good day. This is so sick. The urban moto. You think we set it up right here and do a little downhill like that? It's not a bad idea. And then you just ride off that. All right, we're gonna move the ramp into this grass spot right here. Get a little steezy with it. Oh, this is gonna be interesting for sure. Oh God. Oh, the bolts are coming out. There we go. Let's clean it up a little bit. Not bad. That's a pretty smooth send. That was clean. There we go. I got one going. Nice. That was clean. Hell yeah. That's the thing. Ooh, hold on. Got an idea here. Into the dirt? Hey, manual? That's pretty sick. Dude, I like those shoes. I saw those at Vans recently. I need to start wearing mine. What are you thinking, like transfer from right here? Jake, what are you doing? You're getting a lot of speed, dog. Why does it get so much speed? Oh! That was I money shot that. It's like mid-gear and then hit it on the up ramp. That was perfect. Dude, I literally landed that perfect. I don't know how. You wanna follow me? Oh, that was a little deep. Oh, buttered that one. That was sick, bro. Oh. There we go. Woo. All right, you about ready? Yeah. Go to the next spot. Yeah! Let's go, baby.
Time, baby, let's go.
That's money. All right, guys, so we're heading to the next spot now. Hallie thinks she got a good one. This spot was actually pretty sick. There was a lot of skaters out there. I don't know how they felt about us. You think they felt they were fine with it or what?
That first beers, look at them, they got their own problems.
Yeah, I mean, it was all right. It was a lot of fun. We had a little grass drop. Dude, the first one was actually pretty smooth, the first spot. Yeah, I think we're gonna head over to the train yard and then hit another place with some cool features, so stay tuned. All right, so we made it to this next spot, but we don't really see anywhere specifically that we can send it. Be kind of sketchy.
Dude, I wonder if we can fit in that pipe.
Dude, I don't know.
Totally.
This spot's actually super sick. I need to come take photos.
I gotta get out.
You gotta see it?
I can't just not look at it from the outside.
It's so fun in here.
Ooh, this is kind of cool. Moto van looking crispy. I think we're honestly gonna try to find one or two more spots just to hit. And then, this is just a scouting video, by the way. This is just a scouting video. We're gonna have to come back with the boys, do some like sick stuff. Oh, I hear dirt bikes. Dirt bikes, where are you? Dude, the moto guys are out today. Sick, yeah, but we're definitely gonna have to come back here one day because this is sick. What are you guys doing?
Well, I can get you a shot of this back here, dog.
This is a sick spot, for sure. You're gonna have to take some car pictures with like that in the background. Roller ties, pretty sick spot. Let's get to the next one. All right, so we're at the next spot. I wanna go right around and show you guys real quick. All right. So we're at the new spot now. Hallie's gonna give me a line right here. And, but yeah, this spot's actually super sick. Jake actually showed us this. But like, there's this cool like little puddle. You can see such a cool skyline. It's actually pretty dope around here, honestly. You got this back here too. This is really cool. But like, this is super dope back here. I don't even know like what you can come and do back here, but oh, like a little splatter paint contest back here. This is super sick. Let's get a little jump line in actually. Let's try it out. Oh, that would have been money. Oh, all right, let's try this out a little bit. Oh, that was kind of cool. That was actually a lot of fun. That was cool. That was cool. What, Jake? That was kind of cool. I kind of landed in a wheelie and then I kind of slid it out and ran off. I'm gonna try that again. Let's try to seize it up a little bit. Let's get it, baby. This is super sick. What an awesome day. Where'd Jake go? Oh, this is such a dope little spot. I love this area. Jake, watch what I do. Trey, follow me. There we go, baby. Let's do it.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along to see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Okay. Yo. Dude, love this. This place is super sick. This has been an awesome spot. A little urban hopping today. Dude, urban exploring on the pit bikes, super sick. I need to go out with them on many Mondays. I need to just commit. Me and Tim, me and my buddy Tim will come out. This is super sick. This is super pretty solid. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video today. We're at Chili's, as you guys can see, and we're gonna go get some really good food. I need my wallet out of there, so don't close that just yet. Brittany. But anyways, we're gonna head in here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a fun one. We're gonna have to definitely go back, get another ramp and some more people, and go have some more fun. So if you would, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.